Hello, myself Aryan Gatyal from MRL Lubricants India Limited. So basically the product we are showcasing is liquid paraffin oil. We are the manufacturers of paraffin oils as well as castor oil. So that is our product. So basically our product is different as we serve on high quality. As we are the manufacturers, we keep in mind the quality of the product and all the safety standards. Also, we have our own lab in our factory where we manufacture the product and then we test the product to ensure the toppest quality. We are getting a good and great response even. Since the morning we didn't had time to even sit. So the response is really great. Thank you.
My name is Akshar. I'm a managing partner at Calypso Essential Oils. We are into manufacturing and distillation of natural essential oils and essential products. We provide spice oils, carrier oils and aromatherapy oils. We've been in the business for more than 10 years now and we've got a lot of allied products as well. We also provide products in B2B packaging and retail packaging as well. We mostly do wholesale business. We provide natural products, and since my family business is in the perfumery sector, so we've been doing this for more than 3 generations now. Recently, Calypso Essential Oils has started its own distillation unit. Since we are distilling all the essential oils ourselves, I can assure you it is personally natural compared to what is projected in the market and how it is presented that okay, all the synthetic items are natural. So it is very different from what is available in the market. Expecting a lot of footfall and we are getting great response because people are tired of what is available in the market. So compared to what we have experienced personally visiting everyone versus in this event, it is very drastically different.
So hi, my name is Karthik Dubey. My company name is Rakesh Sand Industries. It's an old company. It's a family business started in 1972. We have been supplying all over the world. We manufacture natural essential oil, vegetable oils, aromatherapy oils, spice oil, and more of that. First of all, the first uniqueness is we do natural products. We don't do chemicals or synthetic anything like that. And second of all, we have our own manufacturing plant. We are already supplying all over the world with all quality approved. Visitors always a positive response. So because of those visitors, we are here today only. We'd like to thank you all for coming and visiting us. If possible, those who have not made it yet, please come and join us and look at our products and come.
So he is Mr. Kuldeep Sharma. He is the owner and managing director of Kalpuru Naturals. My name is Manish Gupta. I am business development manager for northern region of Kalpuru Naturals. So basically, our company is based in Ambala, and we are into the segment of active ingredients of cosmetic products. Okay, we have a wide range of encapsulated actives and peptides. We are also into the range of oils and butters. Also, we are into the manufacturing of some of the cosmetic products like hairbrush and all. We have. So all the products we are importing from outside of India we research in our R&D center, test on the Indian skin, then we launch into the market so that it doesn't harm the Indian population. Responses are all good. I didn't receive any complaint from any of our customer. So if you want to have a good product with a quality, so please come to Kalpuru Naturals.
I'm Jaideep Gandhi, currently the Managing Director of LDG International. LDG International is a company primarily into creating and blending of fragrances and flavors. Fragrances for all kind of beauty products and room care, hair care products. It was started in the year 1984 by my father, and since 2003 I've been handling the company all by my own, serving our customers many big brands locally and internationally also. Reliability, continuity of reliability and continuity of stability, irrespective of price fluctuations in the market. Our customers, once they join us, they always remain with us for a lifetime. I am always launching products every 15 days. So it is a long list, and I am very much more into Arabic fragrances these days. So at least every 15 days there is a new product launch on our Arabic line. India is a very nascent market for cosmetics and personal care. I will say that compared to the world, India's per capita consumption of personal care products is just $8 as compared to $220 of Japan and $18 of Pakistan. So even if we start using our personal care products more, say from $8 per person per month to $16 per person per month, it is going to be a very big jump for the whole personal care industry. So this is just the beginning, just the beginning for the industry, and of course the customers will be pleased on getting new and new products more and more often.
That's all.